Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do follow the page. You guys, it looks like ULwandle Mseleku, who is Musa Mseleku's most sweetest son, is officially off the market and he has found a true love, you guys. His girlfriend's name, her name is Nokwandandlwanes, and there on Facebook, she posted pictures of herself in the arms of her man ULwandle on Facebook, and I must say the two looked very much in love, you guys. She posted red roses, them together in the car, and wrote, "I found myself a true definition of a man," you guys. Wow, love is truly in the air, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe or follow the page. I will definitely see you on the next video. Bye.